First in line, we've got roasted garlic parmesan asparagus. Begin by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss asparagus spears in olive oil, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Roast them on a baking sheet for about 12 to 15 minutes until they're tender crisp. Once they're out of the oven, shower them with freshly grated Parmesan cheese for an extra flavor punch. And for our vegan friends, simply skip the cheese or go for a dairy-free alternative. Next, we're making a quinoa and roasted vegetable salad. Start with cooking quinoa as per the package instructions. Roast a medley of bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes with olive oil, salt, and pepper until caramelized. Mix the quinoa and veggies and drizzle with a tangy lemon vinaigrette. Garnish with fresh herbs and a sprinkle of feta cheese. And remember, to make it gluten-free, ensure the quinoa is labeled as such and skip the feta for a dairy-free option. Finally, we'll be preparing honey-glazed carrots with thyme. Cut carrots into sticks and toss them in a mixture of honey, olive oil, and fresh thyme. Roast until they're tender and caramelized. Arrange on a platter and garnish with an extra sprig of thyme. For a vegan twist, swap honey with maple syrup or agave nectar. So there you have it, 3 stunning and nutritious Easter side dishes. Roasted garlic parmesan asparagus, quinoa and roasted vegetable salad, and honey-glazed carrots with thyme. These dishes are sure to impress your guests and keep them coming back for more. Don't forget to share your creations and tag me. Here's to happy cooking and a joyous Easter.